Rajiv, how was today's South Indian breakfast?
Oh, it is yummy.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. And today we have some visitors in our house, and I'm going to let you know who they are. And I want to really show you um, what I have in store for them. Today I am making South Indian breakfast. It will be a little bit heavy because I'm making both idli and dosa and chutney and sambar. So without wasting time, let's go and see. As you know, I'm making South Indian breakfast today, so dosa is a huge important part of it. So I'll quickly show you how I'm making my dosas. So as you can see, I have fermented this dosa batter and kept it ready. So I'll show you how I do it. First I'll put a little bit of oil, but not a lot, just a very little bit. And then I'm going to take the dosa batter, put it on a low flame. Then I'm going to make a nice big dosa out of it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of oil. By the time I want to really talk about who is coming. This was a special request from my mother-in-law, and she said me the other day that do you make idli, dosas and all? I said yes, I do make, but I haven't made it here, and that's how I thought maybe I should try making it here as well and invite everyone. I think it's pretty cool that they asked me to make it, and I never expected them to tell me that that they want to taste and see how the dosa and idlis are like, because what I feel is that the dosa and idli that you get in Assam is not the exact taste as you get in Kerala or how South Indians make. It's a version, but it's a different version. So they are going to first time taste it. So I thought I will document it. So as you can see, the dosas are like this is sambar. This is red chutney. This is green chutney, and idli is also ready. So while I'm making South Indian breakfast, this guy is literally taking a nap. Excuse me, Rajiv Lochan Uzuri. Excuse me, dosa is ready, idli is ready, get up. So after his nap, he's directly attacking the food. So I'm going to plate it for demo and show you how it will look. This is our South Indian combo meal: idli, dosa, chutney and sambar. Bebo, are you happy today? But you can see this guy, he's not at all interested in anything that is happening in our life. He's only interested in also ready to have his breakfast. Dunu, do you like idli? What did Mama make?
यार सच में अभी अच्छा
अच्छा क्या अच्छा लगा
अभी
बताओ?
अच्छा लगा कि सांभर इतना गाढ़ा भी होता है। दुकान में वो पानी मिलता है।
तो ये रियल साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट है। माँ आपको कैसा लगा?
सच में दुकान में सिर्फ पानी मिलता है, अभी पता चला।
अच्छा है?
पानी वाला जागी जागी बाबा तो दुकान में पानी है
दुकान में वो दाल फ्लोट होता रहता है, ऊपर थोड़ा आपका वो
कभी
कड़ी पत्ता मिलेगा।
एक्चुअली मैं इधर आने के बाद फर्स्ट टाइम बनाया ये।
यही सारा रहता है, इसमें पुलाव बनाए।
So Brihan will tell us what he likes about Assam.
My scooter, my Spider-Man toy.
Rajiv, how was today's South Indian breakfast?
Oh, it was yummy.
You didn't really needed that eyes to be that big.
So now you will see how I make movie gondo.
Huh? Muri ganda.
Yes.
Okay, I'm really feeling hungry and I'm excited about it. Let's see how you're going to do that.
Yeah.
Guys, I have two more brother-in-laws and they couldn't make it, so I had to pack and send for them. But anyways, they all loved the South Indian breakfast and I couldn't shoot the lunch because because it was made in a hurry and they all wanted to leave early, so I couldn't really shoot the details of the lunch that was prepared. But wait, I have a surprise for you. Watch the next video.
So we have come end of this video. Please do like, share and